DRISHYAM AI review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now in this video we'll talk about this awesome cool software DRISHYAM AI which is created by me. This is my own product. I am launching this on Varia Plus, okay? So it says here create stunning AI visuals in seconds with DRISHYAM AI. Now for those who do not know what DRISHYAM means, DRISHYAM is a Sanskrit word, the oldest language of the planet, Sanskrit. It's the Sanskrit word. In English, it means visuals. Drishyam means visuals, okay? So the ultimate AI visual command center for marketers and creator and agencies, okay? So you have to go and watch this 11 minutes long demo video. You will find the link below of the sales page in my video. It's my own product, okay? So I'm launching this on Varia Plus, right? And this is how the software looks like. This is the dashboard, prompt studio, visual categories, prompt enhancer. I have explained everything, okay? I have explained everything in my own voice in this demo video on the sales page, so I do not have to go and explain this again and again, okay? So go and watch this demo video. You'll find the link of the sales page below the video. And let me show you the end result. If you know what to type in, what do you want from the software, then you can generate something like this, okay? If I just maximize this, open this image in a new tab, you will see the quality of this software, okay? DRISHYAM AI, the visuals. Just imagine in your. Let me show you maybe one more picture. This one. Open it. How about DRISHYAM? How about visuals? How do you see this eye? This eye going into the universe. This is universe you could imagine. Okay. I mean, just look at it, okay? This is what you can generate using this software, DRISHYAM AI, okay? All you have to do is come to Prompt Studio and fill in some information. As you can see here, you can just play around with this. I have explained this in demo video, so go and watch the demo video, okay? But yes, if you want awesome visual graphics just like these you have seen on the screen, then go and grab your copy of DRISHYAM AI. And there are only two OTOs, commercial license and agency license, okay? So you can check out all the things on the sales page, right? For example, what is the DRISHYAM AI? So this is something which gives you, generates prompts, powerful prompts, which you can then, paste into ChatGPT. Everything is automated. When you see the demo video, you will understand, okay? Can I use for business? You can use it for your own personal usage and everything. But if you want to, for example, you want to do some client's project, for that you have to upgrade. Does it generate images? It generates prompts and you can put them in ChatGPT, etc., etc. You will see that practically in the demo video on the sales page. Okay, so go and watch the demo video. Is there any limit? So there's no limit. It depends on your platform. So either you can upgrade if you want multiple images. For example, let's say you want 10 images, 20 images, 50 images per day. And if your platform allows that for free, then you can do it. Otherwise, you might have to upgrade or wait for 24 hours, okay? Or wait for the reset limit. So how do upgrades work? You can go and check out. There are only two updates, okay? Support include, obviously it is included. My product is coming, okay? So you have everything you need. Go and grab your copy. I don't have to talk much. If you want these bonuses, make sure you watch the video till the end now. Alright guys, now we are done with the review and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link and then you enter your name and email and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading, okay? So when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video, okay? You can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not, okay? This is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money, okay? It's an investment thing, Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment, okay? You have to have the money, okay? So right from the beginning, this option trading, Forex trading is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay. It's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial, okay? The testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. If your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay, and then obviously you can watch more testimonials, and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video, you can sell your services, whatever. Okay, so this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, so go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay, I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay, but you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first. Okay, and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, so I have attached the screenshot here, so you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot. Okay, but you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions. Okay, so anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one-to-one, you're not sure what is suitable for you, you should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one-to-one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder, so that you can do it for free. Okay, and Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I am giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay, and last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses, and if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me, and you can get cash checking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.